Are you a young person interested in a career in the legal profession, or do you know a teenager who may be interested in becoming an attorney? Well, there is a great opportunity to learn more about opportunities in the field in Mecklenburg County coming up soon. And joining me now to talk about the Increasing Diversity in the Legal Profession Conference is Michael Littlejohn with the Mecklenburg County Bar Association, and also Yasmin Bedouin, a freshman student at UNC Charlotte. Thank you both for being with us.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you. Michael, I want to start with you about this opportunity coming up on March the 7th, a free conference for young people. Tell me the goal of the conference and who you'd like to attend.
The goal is to provide an opportunity for young people, diverse young people who are interested in the law, to be exposed to an entire day's conference of meeting with judges and law students, as well as talking to law school administrators to continue to foster and promote that interest in becoming a lawyer or just involved in the legal profession in some capacity.
And so young people, what age range are you looking for?
So typically the participants of this conference are juniors and seniors in high school, of course, and we also have a good number of college students who come to the conference.
And it's absolutely free.
It is absolutely free. Free breakfast and free lunch will be provided to the students all day.
Okay. Yasmin, we wanted to have you here today because you actually attended one of these events a couple of years ago while you were a student. And talk to me about the experience.
Going there, I noticed that there were people that resembled me, and I felt very inclusive there. I was able to meet attorney Michael Littlejohn and Judge Ricky McCoy. I landed an internship with attorney Michael Littlejohn later that summer after I approached him and asked him if he was willing to give me a position in his office.
Okay, so you went from a high school student with an interest in this to now having this experience, and now a college student on your way.
Yes, so it definitely increased my interest in law. I had some sort of idea that I wanted to pursue it, but going to this conference and seeing, I was introduced to law students, judges, attorneys of all different spectrums, so it increased my interest in it a lot.
Well, along with the opportunity as well of talking to a number of diverse professionals, this particular year, they will have the opportunity to hear from the Chief Justice.
Yes, this year we're so excited to announce Chief Justice Sherry Beasley will be our keynote speaker this year. She's our 29th Chief Justice and the first African-American woman who holds this position. So we are looking forward to hearing her speak, and hopefully, you know, she'll be able to share some insight of what it takes to get there and to keep the next generation of attorneys inspired.
Because she's reached the highest level here in North Carolina.
That's correct.
Okay. Now, when you look back and talk about the planning and organization of the event, you've been doing it for a couple of years now.
We have, and you know, the Mecklenburg County Bar has been a tremendous asset for us to promote the conference, as well as a lot of the local attorneys, local nonprofits. For this conference, a lot of people come together because they want to see young people succeed. And I think that if you have a bar that fosters that, it's only going to make for a great event.
And you talked about, again, that it is free, open to young people, mostly from juniors in high school on up through college, but you say you won't turn anyone away.
We won't turn anyone away. Again, opportunity and exposure. I think Yasmin is a great example of just going to an event like this, what it could look like, and the opportunities that it could provide. And all the students who come that day, they're going to get a book bag full of supplies, and we're also going to be raffling off roughly 15 laptops for students that day.
Right, and Yasmin, earlier Michael was telling me how important and critical a laptop can be for someone, a student, and also someone pursuing this career field. So talk to me more about what you gained from it as well, and how these tools are so important.
So I definitely, when I was in the conference, I learned a lot about what law schools are looking for and what is a necessity. So it's my first time hearing that we are actually going to be raffling off for a laptop. That's something I hope I can be a part of. So it's really important to have access to those resources. And this is something that's still, so it's a 13th year that they're doing this conference, and not many people have access to it or know about it, so it's something important for them to reach out to and learn about.
So thanks again to both of you for being here to share this great opportunity for Increasing Diversity in the Legal Profession Conference. It's coming up on March the 7th, and it is absolutely free. For more information, you can check out the Bar Association's website at mecbar.org. We'll also have information on our WSOC app.